What's up, it is Rahat. So today for this video is going to be a tutorial on how to edit on Phonto. Like, it is the most best, it is the best app ever for adding text on photos, and it has the most good fonts. So, and you can also use your own fonts in it. So I'm gonna go in Phonto today, and it is for Android, not for iOS, because I don't edit so much for iOS. I only edit just for Android. So this is gonna be really cool. So I hope if you like it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos like this. So let's get on to the video. So I'm gonna go in Phonto. So here it is. So I'm gonna just open Phonto, and then I'm gonna use. Then when you click on it, you're gonna take and use a plain image. So there'll be appearing many templates. Wait, I'm just loading. So like when you go in recent ones, I just used one of them. And they're my templates, but there will be saved templates. But then there are templates like these. There are so many type of templates like this. So actually I'm gonna go in here, and then you can choose any color that you want, like black or red, green. So like first of all I'll be choosing this one, and then you can just choose colors like this and take the alphabet, all that. So I'm gonna use this one, and then click on done, and then you can use any type of the color, but then you have to buy it, which you can't buy. So you can't do that. So I'm gonna use it just, okay? And then you here, I'm gonna go add text. So it's for adding text. So I'm gonna go here and then write anything like editing. I'll be writing editing. So and then a full stop. And then there are like fonts. There are so many fonts which you can use. So I'm gonna go in font, and there'll be so many fonts. Like, there are so cool fonts that you can use in your videos too, and then for making your thumbnails and all that. So, and then if you go in my fonts, then you have to install your fonts from dayfont.com, and then they'll be installed in Phonto. So actually the fonts like I'll be using right now, there are so many fonts, you know. I'll be using Lobster, okay? So then if you want align in left or center, you can do that, but I'll be keeping it in center, and then done. Then for here, like when you click on it, here there is size. You can make it bigger and smaller. So I'm gonna make the size like this much, okay? So right. Then if you want to tilt it, it also tilts like this to 360 degrees, and then I'm not going to tilt it, like, or if I'll tilt it, yes. And then if you want to move it from the right, if you can't like do with your finger, you can use, but it takes a lot of time, so I just prefer doing it with the finger. Then we go in style, and then in style you can choose any color for the text, so like black, yellow, you can choose any of the color that you want. So if I'll be choosing pink, like this one, and then you can just make it like saturated, or just make it a bit dark and light. And I'm gonna choose this, and you can also make the alpha like that there. And if you create color pattern, you can just go and just choose colors. Like first I'll choose white, and then for here I'll choose this one, and then I'll add a color to it, which will be, you know, yellow kind of, and then here it will be orange, and then here it will be purple. Then it is correct, and then the color creating pattern is created. It is like, you know, color by color, but then you go again in color pattern, and then from here you choose gradient, which goes, you know, vertical, no, it goes horizontal. It'll be like that, okay? So when you go again in style, and then I'm gonna choose a gradient, which is going vertical, which I really like, and it is too cool. It makes the gradient text. So I'm gonna go like with character, which is really kind of cool. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose shadow, okay? And then for the shadow, you can just choose the alpha like I choose. And you can choose the alpha like really kind of, you know, your choice. And you can choose the shadow color too. So I'm gonna choose the shadow color as black and the alpha as fullest. And then the radius, you know, you can choose it. You can make it blur, or you can just make it visible only. And then you can move the shadow, play with the X and Y, which is kind of cool, right? You know, I really like it. So you can see how pretty it is looking, you know? It's looking like professional text. I'm gonna go again and install, and then add a stroke to it. Then I'm gonna make it the alpha as the fullest, and then the width. Oh my god. Then if I add white stroke to it, it's not good, I think. You can choose any color for this stroke. Any color. Literally any color. So I'm gonna use black, and then you can choose the width to anything, but I'm gonna just make it to the worst. And then you can choose the alpha also, but I'm gonna make it like that. Now see, stroke, it is looking so good. Then after that, I'm gonna go in background, and then I'm gonna choose a background for it. I'm gonna choose the alpha, like, you know, white or yellow, and then its width, you can just play with it, and then its height, but then play with the corners, and then you can see how pretty it is looking, right? And then after that, I'm gonna go in spacing, and like, you know, it makes the letters go far away, like this, the spacing. I'm gonna go again here, see, looking so good, right? And then I'm gonna go in curving. It just curves the text like this, or if you go in center like this, right? But I don't think background is looking good, so I'm gonna just remove it and just keep that like that, okay? So, you know, it looks really clean. And when then you do all the editing, you can again just change your font, which is kind of cool, which I really like. and it is too good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. Since I've used Phonto. Oh my god, it is looking so good. You can choose your fonts. So I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos like this, and I hope you liked it. And also, yeah, then you have to save it in your gallery and it'll be successfully saved. So I hope you all liked it and enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos like this.